Hey guys, have a little unboxing from Provident. I think it's only like 1 ounce of silver and a couple storage things. I don't think it's anything crazy. But I did get a gram of platinum and a gram of gold, since I've never purchased either, just for the fun factors. Well, here's just a bar of 1 ounce silver. I think I got that for my son or something. I don't remember why I got that little thing. And here's the bar of platinum, little gram. Just for fun. Very cool. And the gold. I don't have any gold or platinum, so I think they're only like 50 bucks each. Pant. So there you have it. That's all she wrote. And I got a couple storage things that I have a couple already. So. Hey guys, it's me again, the Satyr. Have another quick unboxing. Part 2. Excited about this one. As you can tell, it's like Christmas present over there. So, got 2 5-ounces. First one is this Liberty aged. It's from MK Bars. It's an aged Liberty 5-ounce round. Really like it. Look at the back's really neat. You can see the pores. I don't know how they age it, I'll have to look it up, but it's definitely neat. Second is this, I'll put a glove on real quick, I don't want to get any fingerprints on it. Oh, can't even open it, so never mind. 5-ounce United States, brand new pour. Oh yeah, you can see my face in there. That's kind of weird. Anyway, that's awesome. Elemental 5-ounce 99 fine silver. But very patriotic. There you have it. 10 ounces to add to the collection. Thanks for watching.